please feel free to drop a comment, hit a thumbs up. A pep, I'm going to mention a pep that's been in my previous videos. A pep is the snake, really. A pep is the evil in our world, and that infiltrates everybody. It doesn't matter your culture, your creed, your gender, anything. It doesn't matter. And so a pep is simply evil within people, and we're seeking to create love and unity. So first song, here we go. I am the shaman, Setchra's coming, bringing Ammon, plain and simple. We the people are the temple, manifesting some big ripple of love. We are creating reality, just your active ability, affecting Earth's destiny. So join the fun, get up and come, play with me in unity of diversity. Grasping liberty, embracing global harmony, loving the earth as our altar. The Gaia's on does not falter. I am the shaman, Setchra's coming, bringing Ammon, plain and simple. We the people are the temple, manifesting some big ripple of love. I can see paradise, everyone feeling nice. Not a one thinking twice, happy life, giving birth, grown in the altar earth, bringing forth a merry mirth. I am the shaman, Setchra's coming, bringing Ammon, plain and simple. We the people are the temple, manifesting some big ripple of love. Be steady, be steady. Get ready, sets with Ra, I am set with Fatah, with the pep, we're going toe to toe, dancing forward, singing let's go, and with this flow, welcome to this happening show, we're casting spells you ought to know, I'm quick as a whip, gotta flee from a tick while in this home, protecting this dome, I found the altar that in the thick of what is most sick, my life, my all, does not falter. Go, go, go and grab your frankincense. Go and grab your frankincense, your frankincense. Summoning your angelic sense, your angelic sense, your angelic sense. Purifying souls most dense, most dense, most dense. Stuck in a pep's atrocious fence, atrocious fence, atrocious fence. Go and grab your frankincense. Summoning your angelic sense. Purifying souls most dense. Stuck in a pep's atrocious fence. The end of every barrier, living non-inferior, finding something merrier than patriarchy ever could. The divine motherhood, birthing Setchra's angelhood, divine matriarchal recovery, establishing the end of tyranny. With our community, the angels' unity, ending humanity's misery peaceably. I am the shaman, Setchra's coming, bringing Ammon, plain and simple. We the people are the temple, manifesting some big ripple of love. So, I haven't named that song, but in the moment I'm gonna name that song I Am the Shaman.
Moonshine, find me to fall upon. Make a path to find the lost one. Make a way to watch.
That's song number 1 that I've come up with.